fucking. I forgot my GoPro. I got like 1 gig left on my phone, so I'm gonna record a little something right here. Back up a little bit and hit it hard. Oh shit, that shit's broken anyway. Ooh, that fender! Back up just a little bit. Damn it. Oh shit. No. The Outlaws do good. Let's run it out. Uh-oh, we got Renee and Lala's old bike pulling out the new bike. Winch! Or not. Oh! Back up a little bit and then hit it one more time. Just to get some action. You're following the right there, hit it. Straight. Alright, you're good.
Come on, kitty.
Ah, shit. It's all rutted out now. Oh, you can't. Because there's a tree right there and a thing over here. Right. Oh, I can't turn? No! Yeah, you got it. Hold on. Let's winch over that road. Nah. That's booty. Come on, man. Right here. There you go. You got it. You got it. Get your hand in. You got it. You got it. Get your hand in. Don't put your fucking hand out, dumbass. Look at that. Go that way if you want. Yeah, that way's easier. Don't fall in. It's deep. Damn it. Ah, get out of the way, finger. It's 1:30 in the morning. Got the bikes pretty caked up down here. Mine was the only one that made it. 29.5 Outlaw 2s. BKTs couldn't hang. We're updating our viewers. And this is the shit we just went through right here. I don't know if the camera shows that good. I got a flashlight on it. But that shit is fucking nasty. I don't know where we're going next.